So, I'm currently heading to St. Petersburg, Florida for my best friend's 32nd birthday. We're going to be hanging out today on a boat. It's someone's special birthday weekend.
Turn 19, mama.
What are we doing today?
We're going on the boat, boy.
Going on a boat.
Going on a boat.
Yes.
With my friends.
This is like a little private rented boat.
Yeah.
You got?
Yeah.
How you doing? Yourself?
Good, good.
So, birthday.
Yeah.
This is Captain Steve.
I am. How are you?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. Everybody's different.
I'm not sure what the protocol is now.
Good,
Boom.
good. I'm Steve. Nice to meet you. Here. We can load up this cooler or you can leave them separate.
Yeah, we'll just load it up and we'll take it back.
All right.
Less space on the boat.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that'd be better. That is a lot of alcohol. All right, here we are. We're getting the party started. Mauricio's birthday weekend on the boat. How's it feel to be
32?
32?
My joints are hurting.
Joints?
Joints hurt.
Oh no.
Can't recover from a night out like I used to. Takes me a whole week.
Mauricio, happy birthday. Thank you very much for inviting us to celebrate. You are probably one of the most real people that I know.
Happy birthday, Mo. Love you, dude. You're one of my faves.
You're an honest dude, you keep it real, and I know you'll be great at life. You just keep it honest to yourself.
Happy birthday, Mauricio. Keep selling sites with your boy. To 30-40 sites a month for the rest of the year. Let's get it.
Get it?
Get it, dude. Hey, happy birthday, Mauricio. I hope you're having a good time. You have a great group of friends, and hopefully I'll see you back on the boat for a couple other adventures.
I mean, it's good birthday. He's been a great support system in this time of COVID. He's been awesome. He's been very amazing.
This is probably one of the most epic birthdays you've ever had before. I've seen you grown from a young boy to a smart, intelligent man as you are today. So I hope all your wishes come true, and hope the rest of 2020 ends up being absolutely awesome versus the earlier 2020. And yeah, thanks for everything you do, and I'm damn proud to be your best friend. Steve brought us out here.
Yes, sir.
We're out here because there's a awesome sandbar, and as you guys can see, there's boats parked all out here.
Yeah.
We're just drinking some High Noon and some White Claw.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So if you guys want to check out the same thing we actually did this weekend, check out skiffcharters.com. Steve, the miraculous captain of the vessel, knows what to do, knows the places to take us.
I do. Tens of thousands of hours on the water.
Tens of thousands of hours on the water. There we go. Check it out. what is it? We're not soulmates.
We're bro mates.